Hey guys, for today's video we're going to make a feta cheese macaroni recipe. Fast and easy. Wanna know how I make it? Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 1 bowl of tomato, 1 feta cheese, 1 cup of macaroni, olive oil, oregano powder, 2 pieces of garlic, and first we're going to boil the macaroni. We're going to cook for it, and then while waiting for it, we're going to clean our tomatoes with the 2 garlic, prepare it in the Pyrex, then put the olive oil, some oregano spices, and then mix it. Then put the feta cheese. Then we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes up and down for 230 degrees and leave it there for a while. So now our macaroni is done. So we're going to remove it from the water. Then this time our feta cheese and the tomatoes are done. So we're going to smash it and just remove the 2 garlic. So after we smash all of them, we're going to mix it, and then we're going to put our macaroni and then mix it. And it's just easy and simple as that. And serve it. And I want to say thank you to Seba for making this recipe. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. So it's easy as that. So that's all, and God bless us all, and bye bye.